Let's check out the 5 best WordPress maintenance and support services. Number 1. WP Buffs. This 24/7 WordPress maintenance and management service pledges to check your site 1,440 times a day. It will take action within 60 seconds if your WordPress site ever goes offline. This provider can also optimize your site and ensure that every page and post passes Google's mobile-friendly test. If you're a freelancer or agency, they offer a white label program. This enables you to provide WordPress maintenance and management services to your clients under your own branding. Prices start at $56 per month. Number 2, FixRunner. They provide ongoing WordPress packages for all of your website management needs. It also offers several packages that are focused on a particular aspect of site management. This includes packages dedicated to speed optimization, malware removal, and white labeling services. In addition, FixRunner offers a one-time service solution for specific problems that require expert help. Prices start at $60 per month. Number 3, WP Site Care. When it comes to maintaining your website, WP Site Care has all of the essentials covered. Their packages offer extensive update, security, and backup services. You also get display ad optimization, an SEO taxonomy review, and Google Tag Manager setup. You'll have to reach out to them for a quote. Number 4, WP Premium Support. Acquired by GoDaddy in 2016, they offer 24/7, 365 support to all of its customers. Their support is a monthly subscription-based service. Each task from their catalog costs customers 1 credit, regardless of how long it takes to resolve your issue. Prices start at $50 per month. And finally, number 5, Maintain. They have partnered with Security to better identify potential threats to your site. If your site is hacked, Maintain offers a dedicated hacked website repair service as part of its professional and enterprise plans. Prices start at $54 per month. And there you go. Those were the 5 best WordPress maintenance and support services. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.